GIMP has several dockable dialogs, for example, layers, toolbox, and so on. If I want to hide all these docks, I can go to Windows and select Hide Docks. If I want to show these docks back again, I can go to Windows and uncheck Hide Docks. Another way to hide your docks is to click anywhere in the image area and press Tab. To show your docks again, press Tab again. I can also close individual docks. So for example, if I do not want to see the layers dock, I can go to configure this tab icon over here and say close tab. If I want to bring back the layers tab, I can go to Windows and I can say Dockable Dialogs Layers. Now my layers menu is back, but it is not in the same position that it was earlier. So what I can do is I can go to configure this tab and I will say detach tab, and now I can move it around. So I can put it here. I just dragged it here. So now it's back in the same position. Now if you want to ensure that this dock is not moved somewhere else accidentally, what you can do is you can go to configure this tab icon and choose lock tab to dock. If you have multiple monitors, you can move this dock to another screen by going to configure this tab, choosing move to screen and then selecting a screen. Now if you end up messing up your window layout completely, what you can do is you can go to preferences. Depending on your operating system, this might be located somewhere else, maybe in file or edit. So you go to preferences and you select window management, and then you click on reset save window positions to default values and just click OK to confirm this, and when you restart GIMP, your window layout be reset to default.